ਤੁਹਾਡਾ भी लिखा जा रहा तो साडा भी लिखा जा रहा। ये तो हशर को होगा ये मालूम कि जीता कौन और हारा कौन। एक नौकरी तुसी कर रहे हो, एक नौकरी असी कर रहे हैं। हाँ जी, तुसी जिन्हां दी नौकरियां करदे हो तुहानू मुबारक, सानू गुलामी रसूल मुबारक।
I find that Asia will be leaving very soon.
What are we talking about? Days, weeks?
I think weeks. We're talking about weeks.
Is that your decision to let her go?
There's a little bit of a complication, and I can't speak on the media about it, but I can assure you she's safe and she will be leaving in weeks.
Imran Khan hurries.
We will try. We have already now ensured full protection for our minorities. We have, I won't go into detail, but there's one element where we still have a problem. But what we have done, no government has done before. And I'll give you an example that there was this case of Asia Bibi. She was this Christian woman who was jailed, and no judge would try them because of blasphemy, and because of the strength of one particular group which had the previous government was held hostage by the group. They came in and they literally blocked the roads, and people were scared of that group. So when the judgment was given to free her by the Supreme Court, the same group then threatened. They came out on the streets. They were rioting for 2 days, and the stage was held hostage for 2 days. But this is the first government that on the next opportune moment actually took them out. We put them in jails. We just completely, and Asia Bibi was then safely, she came out, and then she wanted to leave the country, and we helped her. We helped her. We helped her.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ भी लिखा जा रहा तो साडा भी लिखा जा रहा। ये तो हशर को होगा ये मालूम कि जीता कौन और हारा कौन। एक नौकरी तुसी कर रहे हो, एक नौकरी असी कर रहे हैं। हाँ जी, तुसी जिन्हां दी नौकरियां करदे हो तुहानू मुबारक, सानू गुलामी रसूल मुबारक।